Hi there everybody, on today's video I'm going to be removing and replacing the air filter on this Hyundai Matrix 2008. So basically the air filter is located to the left of the engine, and basically I'm going to start by removing these clips here. There is, just pull them out. One there, another one here, and another one there. Once you have all the clips off, you can pull this cover up. This is my new filter here. So you can just go ahead and fit that in. If you want, you can clean under the filter area, or you can blow it off with an air gun. So the part number for the filter, it's CA10117, and that's basically all you need to do. You can then just refit the cover back and fit the clips back on, and that is done. So hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.